Tired of sending emails into the void or, worse, spamming your own subscribers with multiple messages? Let's fix that by tackling duplicate contacts in Mailerlite and ensuring your email marketing is as efficient as it can be. The first and most fundamental step is leveraging Mailerlite's own powerful deduplication capabilities. When you import new subscribers, Mailerlite automatically checks for existing contacts with the same email address. To ensure this is active, head to your subscriber list, click the Import button, and before you finalize your upload, look for the option that says something like Remove Duplicate Subscribers. Make sure this box is checked. This simple setting is your first line of defense against unnecessary duplicates. Next, let's talk about your Signup forms. The key here is to ensure your email field is set up correctly within your Mailerlite form builder. Find the settings for your email input field. Ensure that the email field is marked as required, so no one can submit without an email. Critically, check if there's an option to enforce uniqueness for this field. If Mailerlite offers a unique constraint for the email field on your forms, enabling it will proactively prevent someone from submitting the same email address multiple times through your website. Finally, list hygiene is an ongoing process. Regularly schedule time to clean your subscriber lists. Mailerlite often provides tools to identify and remove inactive subscribers or even potential duplicate entries that might have slipped through earlier checks. By utilizing Mailerlite's automatic deduplication during imports, configuring your Signup forms attentively, and performing regular list audits, you'll build a cleaner, more accurate subscriber database, leading to better engagement and improved campaign performance.